Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video, How to Draw a French Cafe. In this video, I'll show you one way to make a sketch of a French cafe using some pens and a bit of paint at the end. The first step is to draw some heads and shoulders of people, some backs of chairs and some circular tables. These can all be just a few lines to give an indication. We don't need any details. The second step in this drawing is to draw the front of the cafe that the people are themselves in front of. So we could just sketch some windows and maybe a wide doorway for the cafe. The third step in this drawing is to add the side of a road going towards the left and then another side of another road going towards the right. The parallel horizontal lines of these buildings going to the left and the right will need to go to two vanishing points, so we can just draw a vanishing point, a dot on the left and a dot on the right, and they'll show us where these lines will all meet up together. Step 4. Now in step 4 we can add another side of the road on the left and then another side of the road on the right, again using our two vanishing points. Step 5. For step 5 we can draw part of the Eiffel Tower in the background behind all the buildings, and then we could also add some tonal values and shadows to the drawing too. Step 6. We could start to add some colour. I'll use some felt tip red pens for the cafe. Step 7. We can now add some more colour to the buildings and maybe some pedestrian crossings to the front of the two roads. Step 8. The last step is to colour in the sky with a light blue pen. For this drawing I'll also add some paint to add a greater sense of sunlight. I'll use gouache paint, which is just a coloured paint which has quite a lot of white in it. The next part of this video shows you the 8 steps in more detail. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel Circle Line Art School to keep up to date with all the drawing tutorials that I make. I post a new drawing every Saturday. Thank you very much for watching this Circle Line Art School video. Please subscribe to my channel, Circle Line Art School, to keep up to date with all the drawing tutorials that I make.